This coverage for CES 2020 has been made possible by Irie Coffee Teas and Bobas and Soul Central Magazine. Check out the link in the description for more information. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Techno Warriors TV. My name is Nick Bartel, editor-in-chief for Techno Warriors TV, and we're here at CES 2020. We're here at the MSI suite. I'm here with
George,
and he is the, what do you go do for MSI?
technical marketing for MSI.
So he's going to tell us all about the cool stuff that MSI has this year. Without further ado, let's take it away. We have a lot of stuff to cover. Okay, where do you want to start first?
Sure, we could start focus on our new product line. So just got into the liquid cooler area. So here we actually have one of our newest 360 millimeter liquid coolers, full with RGB, of course. There are other models at 240 millimeters as well as 120 millimeters.
That's a real sharp looking water block, minimal RGB. It looks really nice. The cabling looks really nice. And then yeah, so tell us what about like how much will it be and everything?
Sure. So I'm gonna give you a heads up. A lot of our products at the moment don't have a concrete price range. However, it shouldn't, it should be pretty competitively priced to what's on the market at the moment. Obviously, we see support for the latest chipsets, AM4, LGA 1151. Over here on this particular area, we have one of our newest monitors as well, the MAG 251RX. Over on that side, as well as our GH 60 mouse and keyboard. So we're going into a lot of new gaming peripherals. This is one of our greatest keyboards that we've come out with. Here it's a GK50 LP. So has very low profile keys.
Low profile design, and it looks really, really sharp, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that, looking really sharp here. We have a cute little MSI system right here.
Definitely. So we have our Infinite S, very portable, very compact, but still packs a punch. Has a built-in wireless AC for this particular model, and it still has a dedicated graphics card. So any type of gaming you do, especially esport gaming, you should be able to handle it.
And then over here,
on this side, we have our new esports focused monitor, up to 240 hertz refresh rate with IPS panel and 1 millisecond response time. This is a little bit similar to what we have over there, a monitor that goes up to 165 hertz refresh rate.
And then let's go over here. Let's see what we got over here. So I'm guessing more monitors over here.
Exactly. So most of the focus here is our creator-centric product. So we actually released a lot of product that's focused for content creators. So, for example, our X299 creator motherboard here.
Looking real sharp. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. We have a whole slew of DIMM slots. Real sharp looking X299 thing. Looking real sharp right here. Look at this thing. It's ginormous. So we got a really slick looking USB microphone with a great headset.
Right, so these are, like I said, our new line of products over GK40 creator keyboard. Completely wireless, actually can do Bluetooth or an RF signal if you have a dongle preference for that. Also wired as well, and paired with its mouse. This case right here is a brand new case as well. Also focused for content creation. Has a very minimalist design, right? So just very little lighting, easy to open access for the chassis if you want to give it a try. The final model will actually have some sound acoustic padding inside.
Look how sharp looking that is. This is my type of case. Minimal design.
Yeah, so like I said, focus for our content creators. Let's take a look over on this side. Just keeping kind of that subject. We have some workstations over here, so our new workstations. These will get refreshed with the latest 10th gen and Intel processors, as well as the latest NVIDIA graphics cards. But these are very powerhouses that are great for architecture work, 3D modeling.
These are stupid powerful.
Yes, they are, definitely.
So over here we got some control, content creation, that type. What content creator stuff looking really, really sharp.
Definitely. Screen quality is really great. It has a really dense pixel density. The color reproduction is awesome. And of course, you have to have great contrast for that as well.
So what do we got over here?
Sure. So over here we have our winners for CES honorary awards. Starting off with our Creator 17 laptop, the very world's first laptop with a mini LED display panel.
Woo!
It's even better than OLED, very bright as you can probably see, and you know, the contrast ratios for that doesn't get any better. You know, packed with a lot of features like software that's able to customize your Adobe programs, for example, but just one click. It's pretty great.
And then as you can see, we got some more stuff over here.
Right, so this is a beast of a machine, the GT76 DT. So this one actually has desktop level components, your GPU, your CPU, they're all desktop level, they're all
So
inside.
are they just, are they like the Max Q, or are these full?
These are full-on i9 9900K for the current model, and they'll be refreshed later on for the 10th gen.
So what type of GPU do we have in here?
So this one will have an RTX 2080 Ti.
A full-fledged or just
Well, it would be a specialized one for, it's not max SKU, but it would be specialized to fit in the chassis, right?
but it'd be a full-fledged Wow!
It's
Well,
amazing.
guess what, MSI? You just got the Techno Warriors TV Best of CES 2020 award.
Thank you so much. That means a lot.
Yeah, look around.
So what do you got over here?
Sure. So this is a special edition Lightning card, our RTX 2080 Ti Lightning Z. It's super buffed up for overclockers, super enthusiasts. Has an LED panel up top that displays information like your temperature, your frequencies, things like that. So super easy to overclock and has a lot of potential. Over here, if you haven't taken a look yet, is our Aegis Ti5 model desktop.
Look at this thing.
Exactly. So that's their main feature here. So that's what we call an HMI dial, human-machine interface. So what this does is similar to, say, a Nest or smartwatch, where you're able to cycle through different options. At the moment, it's off, but once you press it, you're able to see, say, the weather, customize different types of games, or just get a lot of.
That's crazy! I've never seen a case like that. That is really looking really sharp, ladies and gentlemen. MSI has really knocked it out of the park this year.
Yeah. Paired with it, it's actually one of our winning monitors here, the MAG381 CQR. One of our newest models. Also has some HMI technology. Down here, there's actually an LED screen, though you can't see it right now since it's not on. But we have another model that does have it. It also shows that information, weather. It has, display information, refresh rate, things like that.
All right, so let's go over here.
Sure, let's head over to those laptops inside.
And it looks like you guys did a good job. We got some nice NCS music going here.
Yes, definitely. So here we have our newest revision of the GS lineup, so the GS66 Stealth. Full black matte finish wherever you look. Easy to open screen, just takes one finger to do it so. What's great about this is that it's one of our first laptops with a 300 hertz refresh rate.
Whoa!
Down a laptop.
300 hertz! That's zippity doo dah fast!
That's insane. So
Pow! Right in the kisser!
to go along with it, we revised the speakers, and now we have passive radiators that point upwards and to the side, so you get really crisp sound when you're playing. In addition to that, we reinforce the chassis, and it's great design here.
So
More
more
of the same here.
laptops of the same.
Exactly. So there is one in particular we want to check out, and it's right over there.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have so much to cover in this. We have, okay,
So here's a beast of a machine with our new panoramic aura lighting. So it has a diffuse panel down here, really cool RGB look.
that
to
is
it.
looking really sharp.
Yeah, and of course, latest H series 10th gen processor, as well as NVIDIA graphics for this one.
So this is just Max Q graphics.
Exactly, but it's super pumped up. Not as crazy as the other one, but it'll be able to play pretty much anything. Here's one that you might not be able to get on camera too much, but if you stand here, you'll see what's going on. We have kind of like a 3D effect here, where you're able to see, if you're standing in front of it, the image out in space. So it's VR without glasses, right? You stick out your hand, and it's able to detect it, and you're able to move and control things.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, so you have two cameras here that's able to do that. Over here we have our special laptops are fully AMD based. We have AMD CPU, AMD GPU here, 3000 series, 4000 series for our Alpha and Bravo laptops. All right, so moving over here, if you want to go ahead and check out the other videos. Here's an example of our Creative 17 mini LED. If you can see the blacks here, just amazing contrast.
That is gorgeous. Look at the keyboard layout. This is looking really sharp, ladies and gentlemen. Look how nice this is.
Cool. So, if you like Star Wars and you like Marvel movies, you'll definitely like this version of the GE66 Raider. It's designed and collaborated with the Cully Wirtz, one of the concept artists that worked in this type of movies.
Looking sharp over here. They got like a race car looking theme here.
We have their camo versions over there.
Look at these really sharp looking. These are full custom designed laptops, ladies and gentlemen. Full paint jobs are looking really, really slick and sharp. So as you can see over here, we got more of them down here.
All right, so here, for those of you guys starting off in the AMD world, X570 with Ryzen, we have two different models. Our brand new MAG is X570 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. So the Tomahawk series is back. You know, if you want to jump into Ryzen, perfect platform to do it on. You want something more beefy, you want to overclock, you know, here's all the bells and whistles with, you know, minimal RGB here.
That's nice.
Yeah. So
because a lot of people don't like RGB that's too in your face.
Exactly, so that keeps it simple. However, here is our MAG 342CQR. This monitor actually has the world's highest curvature rating, so it's really aggressive curve, has 1000 R, and you just get super immersed when you're actually playing the game. So hard to see on camera, but you know, it's very vivid. It's pretty great.
And then that's pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. We have a bunch of other stuff here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the full video interview of the MSI suite here at CES 2020. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, you know what to do. Strangle that subscribe button, slap it in the face, and pow, right in the kisser.